You can deploy Data Discovery through a standalone security mode separate from your ERP application. Through this standalone mode, Data Discovery can connect to outside data sources like Microsoft Analytics cubes. Use this application to create views and dashboards. You enable standalone authentication through two options. Azure AD Authentication is Microsoft's multi-tenant cloud-based directory. This directory is a centralized management service for both on-premise domain users and Internet users. Local AD Authentication saves users login time. Users can sign on with the account they use for launching Windows. To leverage standalone authentication for Azure, register Data Discovery with Azure AD. You register it as either a native application or a web app API application. A native application is run by client applications installed locally on a device. Typically, these locations are not secure, so Data Discovery uses the native application to handle secure sign-in. A web app API application is installed on a secure server. Data Discovery authenticates the client request using the Microsoft Graph API. You set up a local AD authentication while you install Data Discovery. Specify the administrator username that manages the Data Discovery site. You indicate whether you use Azure AD Authentication or local AD Authentication while you install Data Discovery. To use this feature, you must have an Advanced Data Discovery license. For step-by-step instructions for setting up these standalone options, download the ERP install guide from the Epic website. Locate the Install Data Discovery section within this guide. Once you've finished installing Data Discovery and completed the standalone setup mode, it's ready to use. You can check on how the standalone authentication is set up. To do this, locate the Data Discovery toolbar and click the Administrator icon. Then from the list of options, select Standalone Authentication. Review the settings and, if you need, make changes to them. When new users wish to access the standalone version of Data Discovery, you must manually add them to the application.